think they are with these screens that fold out, there's a possible fix. We're going to pop these out. It releases that and we can see there's a... Let's undo these two bolts. We'll find there's some screws inside. There you go. That's the one. Yeah, I remember it now. Yeah, so we pop it along here. This comes out. We've got some screws, some 8mm bolts and some screws in there, and that will all come out nice for us. Get this bolt out on the other side, then there's two that hold the screen in. This takes all this out so we get some access, and then once you've undone those and give it a good wiggle, you can get this out, which you just unplug your couple of plugs, get it out your way, seam ripper, get that off there, it's better. Pop this out like that, pull the rest of the screws out for the screen. Okay, so I've unpicked some of the cabling now. I've closed the screen so you can see the connections and you can see what the plugs are. Cut the cable tie, take them off, strip back here. You'll find it probably here, but it may have broke further down the loom. But we'll get into that now. There's one. There's the other one. That's that one. So that's the powers. That's the signal. So that gives the black screen normally is on the powers. But I've had it where it's been this coax. So we'll see what happens. So these are usually the culprit. These little seam rippers are handy in this situation. But basically, you'll find the cable where it's broken, but it may be in multiple places. So it's worth getting involved. But there you go. Two wires, clean broken. Not broken anywhere down there, but in this little bit here, they've broken clean. So yeah, there you go. I've had to shorten the cable. It should be about that long, so there's a bit extra there. But oh yeah, we're just going to replace with a little bit of wire, solder some new ones in, heat shrink it up, and we should be all golden. So I'll get back to you in a minute, giving a little bit of added strength to the wire, and we'll actually stop it from snapping in the future. Okay, so we put a little bit of tape around there. Okay, the screen should come out, and it should. And look what we've got. Screen working. Let's get it all secured and ready to go. So it's all working as it should. The wiring's all been sorted and nice and tidy and won't do it again. Let us just build it back up and make sure it works. Sweet. And then if we get the key again, like I say, he's got other issues. Come on. There you go. Happy days, all good. Don't forget to tape that up there so it doesn't catch on the way on that there. Back in place, those two bolts in. Both around here. Send the screen away so you can finish the job. Put all your panels back in. Job's done. And just like that, we have a fully working system. This guy's got this done for £130 in total because it's less than 2 hours work. Job done, we're happy.